Everybody here, I'm getting with another awesome videos, and of course I am at the car show today, so it's kind of a small one, but I guess it might be an awesome one, because like literally there's a Hummer over there, and like cars that are nitrous boosted and completely decked out. So anyway, here's what the heck, here's the first car. Look at that. Look at this motor. I mean, this thing can like literally drive over a mountain like only having one wheel on. Seriously. With a popped tire. So anyway, we're going to go on to the next cars. Look at that. Incredible. It's pretty bright outside, so you don't see much. Look what this guy has. So cool. Look at this cool car. You see all those blue wires? You know what that is? Because I don't. Some of these guys don't have the hoods popped. That means the motor must not be the best. Incredible. Wow, look what this guy has. Wow, look at this. This is supposed to be an old car show, but I guess some people decide to bring cars that are newer than new. There's a Dodge. We're gonna go off onto this side. It's a Corvette. Damn, this is an old Corvette. Look at all of that. Cool Nissan. Awesome engine. V6. Here's a Corvette. My mom. You see? Okay. We're about to get to one of the awesomest cars. Right. This is like another awesome car. Look at that motor. Boom. Look at that completely decked out Hummer. Look at that. It's got 3 cameras. 1, 2, 3 cameras that show me right now. Look at that. Playing Avatar. 1, 2, 3, 4 speakers. Look at all that. Oh man, one guy just left. Look at that. Here, I'm going to show you from the other side. So you must have another car. He's got a tiny TV screen over there. He's got a grenade gear changer, or like a drive thing. Look at those wheels. Now this thing has nitrous. That's for sure. It's got LEDs. Incredible. So anyway, look at this car. Pretty simple motor. It's all red inside of this car. Now most of these motors are the same, especially that Hummer. Like, holy cow, that Hummer is like the most decked out. I think it's an H2. Got Corvettes over there. Here, I don't know what this is. I think it's a Camaro. Corvette. It's a Mach 1 Mustang. Da 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 da. Okay. Get over there. That's an old car. Cool motorcycle. This is awesome. Now, I bet you this has nitrous too somewhere. Because, I mean, let's see if I can find the bottle. Yeah, this Corvette's nice. You know what Corvette this is? The Stingray. Look at that. Incredible. I wish I could zoom out a bit on my iPad because it's the back of the Corvette is just incredible. Oh man, I gotta sneeze. Okay, I'm fine. Cool motors. Most of these motors looks like the Corvette and motors in my Corvette, the ones that we have, because we have like a C4, I think. 200 cubic inches. I don't know what that stands for. Here's a very old Corvette. That's a cool car over there. Okay, let's see. Turbo jet, 400 horse. Jesus, 400 horsepower. You know what those are? This and this. Horns. Here's a supercharged Kamado. Now this thing has nitrous too. Somewhere in it. I'm touching with my eyeballs. Look at this. I mean, it's just like, it's awesome. I mean, it's got a locked even gas tank. The back is pretty cool. Oh, and this is the best car. You know what those things are in the back? When it starts off, so it doesn't bounce up, like when the car starts off, it'll stick back on its wheels and the front wheels will come off the ground. So it doesn't flip over completely. That's what the wheels are for. Look how thick these tires are. They're really used up because, you know, they don't sell much of this anymore. This thing is ultra nitrous boosted. I think it's the most nitrous boosted vehicle in this, in this whole, like, thing. Club. Now, we're about to get to the awesome part. Look at that. Can you see in there? I mean, what's in there? Look at that. It's incredible. Wait. Oh my god, this is a Corvette too. Man, I wish we had this Corvette. It's sick. Yeah, it's all nitrous. Seriously. He's got cool speakers, this guy in the back of his car. It's a pretty old car. Not in the best condition. I mean, I'd clean it up a bit. Here's the midget. Oh, and here's a racer. Dude, this is such an old racing car. It's got half its motor in the back and half of it in the front. This is the thing. It's got a bunch of fire extinguishers. I believe they're used.
You'll see all the pictures tomorrow.
Ooh, look how long that car is.
Down like this, get your hands out like that.
Actually, if you're like right in the front.
Jeez. That's like the Elvis Presley of cars. Seriously, that's long. This is a normal car. I don't know why they have this one here. Jeez. Look how long this thing is. Why? I have no clue. I don't know what's up with this car. It's just a normal Honda. This is a nice car. He just turned it on. It is so long. I don't know what he's doing. Anyway, here's the last car. On this side. We're gonna go on to this side now. And we're gonna end this video after that. I don't know what that is. Let's see what that purple juice is. Keep tight. Do not open hot. Okay. And there's more. What's that purple juice stuff? It's a nice car. Let's see. Reserved parking, Charger, Hellcat. There's TR. Okay. I'm only showing the motors because like the motor's the best part. I forgot what that logo stands for. Which car it is? Let's see. Is anything missed? That like this Kamado is like the boss of Kamados. It's a cool blue engine. A lot of stuff. Yeah, and we're pretty much repeating again. But I mean, like, oh, look at this guy. By the way, if you don't realize, you know, these things are going over here. Everyone parked this way. Yeah, I guess that's how old cars park. This car is so small. Nice and tiny. Tiny and tidy. This guy has to hold it up with the stick because it won't hold up by itself. Okay, well, I mean, this was an incredible time here. It's pretty short, nice and tidy. I love it. But anyway, let's go back to the awesome Hummer. Let's see, am I really that? Like, I can't close in. Whatever. Jeez, look at all that stuff under it. Look at those like hydraulics. Holy cow. Look at this. Damn. Look, they got Hummers driving over a police car. I don't think a police car would go after this car. Look at that cool grenade gear shifter. It's like so cool.
I can do this.
These wheels are sick. So is the motor. Or engine. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Yeah. Bye.